28 is running, but he can't get in gear for some reason. I see something hanging down underneath of his bus. So 28. Uh-oh. I think the 98 got his exhaust pipe stuck in the radiator of the 28. Oh, there goes the tire going down. That hurt. Nick Rose in the 141, he puts his hands up, his bus won't move. Looks like we're down to 3 that are running. Now Nick Rose got it going again. Don't need that hood. Get rid of it. Wow. stuck together out there. There we go. I think we got it. These guys are all used to driving with regular hydraulic brakes. Now they have air brakes to deal with. Different world for them. Remember, your defending champion is that beat up number 18, that green bus out there. Won last year. Oh, just got the front tire of the 18. Front right tire, I think. Or maybe an airline. Might have gotten a brake line. Uh-oh, watch out for the Bandit one down there. He's looking to get some speed, I think. Oh, solid hit on the frame rail. Boy, the sparks are flying in the collision. Oh, he scratched it. Well, the green 18 front, the engine's really throwing out a lot of water in the front, so that motor's going to start getting plenty hot. Hey, now they're getting the front ends involved. Sandwich. Yeah, see that, you know, Greenway won last year. Number 18 there in the middle of the green one. So we're not going to let this happen again, but he's still hanging in there. Oh, he lost his other tire on the 18. There's a fire under the black van right now. They'll get that taken care of here. Oh, folks, while it's quiet out there, let's give these drivers a round of applause. Good driving here tonight. Now you kind of get an idea how these buses are built. Now, do we have any bus drivers in the audience? Raise your hands. Thanks so much. Oh, yes? A bus driver over there. I see you. I got you over there. Next year, okay, that's the one that's driving in the Derby next year. Get her name. Oh, she would do it too. Look at her. All right, if we can bring your bus next year. Would you? Okay. No, you can't put the kids you don't like in it either. Oh, the carnage on the track. The track crew's like, oh no, we got to clean this up yet tonight. Wow, thank you to all of our bus drivers out there. A very thankless job, and one that, tell you what, you're out there early driving in all the weather, and not appreciated, especially by the people on the roads. And man, you hear plenty of stories about just ignoring what you're trying to do in a very safe manner. And thank you to the bus drivers. Let's give our bus drivers a round of applause, the real ones. Here we go. Now, defending champion wants a piece of the action. He's down there with water blowing out the left side of the engine. No steering tires at all, riding on the rims. And a bus that'll kind of barely move. Good hit. Get out of my way. Wow, the defending champion with some offense right in the front. Good hit. Tire down on the 98. Feel that tomorrow. front end of 18's just dragging so hard, you can't hardly get any traction. Well, number 18, Jake Greenway, says this is definitely the last demo for this bus. He said, I'm going to go out there and put it through its paces. And he's sure done that right there in the middle. Boy. There you go. Crunch it up. All right, down to 2 buses. The 18 is officially out. The reddish pink Jason Greenway going against the 141 of Nick Rose. Jason Underwood's doing the driving. Sorry, Jason Greenway registered it. At the conclusion of this heat, you're welcome to go down to the fences and take some up-close pictures. As I realize that safety fence is in your way of some of your pictures, so once we get to that point, you're welcome to it. Just don't stay too long there, because we'll have some people trying to get around you. Yeah, go all the way up there, Nick. Go all the way to the end. Get some hard hits out there. Yeah, go to opposite end. I'm gonna play a kid's song for you guys if you don't get on it.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all over the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish.
There you go, hit them hard.
All through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The
Can't believe
horn
I'm
on
playing
the bus
this.
goes beep, 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 all through the town.
That's a first at the Buck.
The money on the bus goes clink, 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 clink.
I'm amazed how many of you know the motions to this. I'm
Money
impressed.
on the bus goes clink, 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 all through the town. The driver on the bus goes move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus goes move on back, all through the town.
Driver on the bus says, I'm gonna hit you back, hit you back. I guess they won't do that version. Okay, you head north and you head south. How's that? No, wrong direction. Oh, sitting duck there. Now it's starting to compress. Now we're getting some distance. I'll start getting to the rears of the bus here soon. Go farther than that. I'm gonna play the kids song again. I'm telling you, I'm gonna do it. I'll play Baby Shark. I swear to you, I will do it. Don't make me do it. You all actually want to hear me play that song at the Buck. Your answer is no. You seriously want to hear Baby Shark? I don't know if I'll have a job after tonight.
Mommy shark, do 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 do, mommy
Is this how bored you all are? You're actually doing this to Baby Shark?
Grandma Shark, do 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 do. Grandma Shark, do 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 do. Grandma Shark, do 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 do. Grandma Shark.
Grandpa Shark, do 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 do. Grandpa Shark, do 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 do. Grandpa Shark, do 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 do. Grandpa Shark.
Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last. It's
Is it the end? Baby Shark did it, didn't it? That's it. You don't want to hear it again, you better get farther apart. Floor it. No, don't follow him. This is what we want. Hammer down. Yeah, go up to the tunnel. The 141 may be on top of. Oh, there it goes. Now we're compressing into the wheel. Once you get to that axle, that should really start doing it. Not like it needs it anymore. One minute clock is counting on the 98. Ladies and gentlemen, there you go. The torture is over. There, look at all the carnage out there, and congratulations to number 141, Mr. Nick Rose. He is your winner. And Jason Underwood ended up in second place. Let's give all of the drivers a round of applause out there. Nice job to each and every one of them. Never know what's going to happen here at the Buck. Make sure you grab a schedule on your way out. The Buck merchandise stand is